Guys, it's Saturday, probably about 5:30 or 6 in the evening. I checked into a motel in Hiawassee, Georgia. There was no hostel space, I guess because the snow and sleet coming tonight. Everybody's trying to take cover. I had to get resupplied. This is all the food I had left, which was some tortillas and a couple things of rice and potatoes. I had to resupply food. So I just wanted to show you what a hiker, either a hostel or a motel room looks like. You've got laundry everywhere. I've actually been here for a couple hours and got lucky enough. I got right to the laundry. There was only one machine, and there was 30 people trying to do laundry. I just timed it really well. I only had to wait about 30 minutes for a washing machine, and then a friend of mine I met on the trail, Chad, me and him threw our stuff in together on the dryer. These socks didn't get really that dry, but that's okay. Hang them out, put them on the air machine here, get them dry. Got my stuff plugged in, my battery packs, and going to get dressed, and my next chore is to go walk to the nearest store, which is really not that far. There's a Save A Lot and a dollar store, and pick up my food for the next week. What it's looking like outside right now. It was actually starting to snow up on Dix Creek, and where I came off the trail. I got lucky, and I was able to, I'm not wearing any shirts, was able to hook up with Chili Mac, young kid. I passed him coming down the trail with about a half mile left to Dix, and I came right out on the road, and in the parking lot there's a couple there, and they asked me, they're like, "Did you see a younger fella back on the trail?" And I said, "Yeah, I just passed a guy. He's tall, athletic build, and he's got like a top knot." And he's like, "Is it Matt?" I was like, "Well, I don't know his name." I said, "We call him Chili Mac on the trail." And so I was talking to them, and they were his aunt and uncle, and they were picking him up and taking him to their house in Roswell, which is a couple hours. And I said, "By chance, are you going through Hiawassee? Because I'm staying there for the night." And they're like, "Yeah." I said, "Can I get a ride?" So I got a ride right away. So I've been really lucky. Haven't had to pay for a shuttle. And Chili Mac came out about 10 minutes later. He was limping when I passed him, so I think he's having some feet trouble. But I think he's going to hole up for a day and rest up or two. But got lucky, so now I'm going to resupply and stay dry tonight. Head back up on the trail tomorrow. All right, see you guys.